Good morning to one and all. Today I am going to discuss with you concept 1.3 rational numbers. In that objective questions I am going to discuss in this video. In the previous videos I finished descriptive questions NCERT. In this video I am going to discuss with you objective questions means. In that first question we have, if P by Q lies to the left of R by S on the number line. So what is, see, if you draw a number line, okay, suppose 0, 1, 2, 3. So suppose if you take 2, so for 2 right side numbers are greater than numbers, for 2 left side numbers are smaller than numbers. So P by Q is lies to the left of R by S. Suppose R by S is there and P by Q is there. So this P by Q is left side to the R by S. Okay, so left side numbers are smaller numbers. Yes, so then P by Q is less than R by S. So first option is the correct option for this. Okay, second question we have that, which of the following are not false? Which of the following are not false? Not false means true. Which of the following are true? We need to identify. 0 by 3 is a natural number. 0 by 3 is equal to 0. 0 is a natural number? No, it is a false statement. And 0 is the smallest rational number. Second option. 0 is not a smallest. We have negative rational number also. Okay, so that also, second option also false. Next, third option. 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 7 by 8, 9 by 11 are fractions as well as rational numbers. Yes, this is the true statement. Minus 2 by 8, minus 7 by 8, 2 by minus 3 are fractions but not rational numbers. So option this, that is minus 7 by 8 comma 2 by minus 3. So these are the fractions but not rational numbers they are saying, but these are not a fractions, those are rational numbers. So it is a false statement. Here among them, what is the correct option? Option 3. Option 3 is the correct option for the second question. Next, third question. The period and periodicity of 7 by 15 in the decimal form. So 7 by 15 we need to find the decimal form. So we need to divide 7 with 15. 15 ones are, so 15 is less than 7. So 0, 0 point. 15 fours are 60. 1 0. So you can add 1 0. 15 6 are 90. 1 0. 15 6 are 90. So it will go like this only. 6 6 6 1. Okay, it will go like this. So it is equal to 0.46 bar. Okay, so under the bar what is the digit we have? That is called period. Period equal to under the bar the number what we have, that is called period. So what we have? 6. Periodicity is how much? Periodicity, the number, the how many digits under the bar? 1 digit we have. Okay, so this is the third question answer. Next we have fourth question, that if 3 by 5 plus x plus 5 by 12 equal to 0, then find x value they are asking. So that we need to, I am writing here in this 3 by 5 plus 5 by 12 together I am writing, plus x equal to 0. I am writing like this. So now it is 3 by 5 plus 5 by 12. We can add first these two. So LCM of 5 comma 12. LCM of 5 comma 12 equal to 60. Okay. So 12 3s are, so to get 12 here, 60 here, into 12 into 12. So 12 3s are 36 by 60 plus into 5, 25 by 60 plus x equal to 0 you can write. So 36 plus 25, 36 plus 25 by 60 plus x equal to 0. 36 plus 25, 61 by 60 plus x equal to 0. So x equal to, this 61 by 60 is nothing but a minus 61 by 60. Okay. Now I am going to discuss with you fifth question. Fifth question we have, the sum of two rational numbers is minus 3, and if one of the number is minus 10 by 3, then the numerator of the other one is asking. Okay, we need to find another rational number. In that numerator we are going to write. Okay, see here. So we don't know another rational number, so we can assume that the required rational number be x. So solution I am writing, let the required rational number be x. Required rational be x. So x. So sum of the digits equal to sum of the two rational numbers equal to sum of the two rationals equal to how much? Minus 3. So according to the condition, so one number is one of the rational equal to one of the rational number equal to minus 10 by 3. So another rational we have x, and one of the rational number minus 10 by 3. If you add these two, so we will get minus 3. Yes. So according to the condition, that minus 10 by 3 plus x equal to minus 3. So this minus 10 by 3, when you are transposing right side, x is equal to minus 3 plus 10 by 3. So here nothing in the denominator is 1. LCM 1 comma 3. LCM of 1 comma 3 equal to 3. So into 3 into 3. So 3 minus 3 into 3, minus 9 by 3 plus 10 by 3, which is equal to minus 9 plus 10 by 3. Minus 9 plus 10 is how much? 1 by 3. X equal to 1 by 3. Find the next. So here x equal to 1 by 3. So here in this, what is the numerator we have? So numerator equal to 1. So what is the numerator of the other one? So other rational number is 1 by 3, but numerator of the other rational number is 1. Next. So find the sum of the digits of the difference of numerator and denominator of reciprocal of 2 by 5 plus 5 by 4. So first, the reciprocal of 2 by 5 plus 5 by 4. So what is the value of 2 by 5 plus 5 by 4 we need to find. LCM how much? 20. LCM equal to LCM of 5 comma 4 equal to 20. So to get 20 here, so 2 by 5 into 4 into 4, that is 8 by 20 plus into 5 into 5, 25 by 20, which is equal to 8 plus 25. 8 plus 25 by 20, that is nothing but a 33 by 20. So this is 33 by 20. Reciprocal of 33 by 20 equal to 20 by 33. So now up to here finished. And difference of numerator and denominator. In this, difference of numerator and denominator. Difference equal to difference of numerator and denominator equal to difference of numerator and denominator equal to. So difference of we are finding greatest number minus smallest number. So 33 minus 20, which is equal to 13. So the difference of the numerator and denominator is 13. So sum of the digits in difference. Difference is how much? 13. Sum of the digits in difference equal to 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is how much? 4. So 4 is the required answer for that. Next question we are going to discuss. Now I am going to discuss with you 7th question. So find the P by Q form of 0.27 bar. So already we have, this is objective questions means. So we know the shortcut method also. So what is the shortcut method to find 0.727 bar? First we need to write without decimal point. Yes, what are the digit is not repeating? 0 is not repeating. After the decimal point, how many digits are repeating? 2 digits. 2 digits means 2 nines. So that is equal to 27 by 99. Check whether any cancellation or not. So 9 3s are 9 11s are. So which is equal to 3 by 11. 3 by 11 is the correct option for that. Option, which is the correct option for that? Option 3. Yes. Next. So 3 by 8 divided by, so in the bracket we need to simplify first according to Bodmer's rule. So minus 51 by 24, and reciprocal of 17 by 12 is 12 by 17, and this becomes multiplication. So 17 cancel, check the cancellation is 17 ones are 17 threes are, 12 ones are 12 twos are. So then 3 by 8 divided by minus 3 into 1 minus 3, 2 into 1 2, so minus 3 by 2. So again we are dividing these two rationals, so it becomes 3 by 8 into minus 3 by 2, it becomes 2 minus 2 by 3. So 2 1 3 cancel, 2 ones are 2 fours are. So 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 4 into 1 4. What is the required answer? Minus 1 by 4 is the correct answer. Next 10th question we have 6 by 35 divided by 0. So if you divide any rational number with 0, it is equal to undefined. We cannot define. Undefined is the answer. Undetermined or undefined. Next 9th question. The area of the rectangle is given 45 5 by 16 centimeter square. One of the edges, that is you can consider length. So 6 1 by 4 centimeter. Other edge we need to find. Other edge is breadth you can consider. Okay. So let the other edge be x. Let the other edge be x centimeter. Okay. So length of the rectangle equal to length of the rectangle equal to, we know that is length of the rectangle is how much? Okay. Length of the rectangle they given L, that is 6 1 by 4 centimeter is nothing but a 25 by 4 centimeter. Next, area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle equal to, area of the rectangle equal to how much they given? 45 5 by 16 centimeter square. So or if you want to convert into the mixed fraction, 45 into 16. 16 5s are 80, 16 for 64, 72. 72 plus 5, 725 by 16 centimeter square will come. So area of the rectangle is nothing but a length into breadth equal to area. So that is 725 by 16 centimeter square. Length is how much? 25 by 4. Breadth is how much? X. So that is equal to 725 by 16 centimeter square. So you need to transpose, we need to find x value. So I am transposing this 25 by 4 right side, it becomes x is equal to 725 by 16 divided by 25 by 4. Okay. Now 725 by 16. 725 by 16 divided by means reciprocal 4 by 25. So 4 ones are 4 fours are 25 ones are 25 2s are 25 9s are. Okay. So that is equal to 29 by 4. 29 by 4 is nothing but a 7 1 by 4 centimeter. Therefore, what is another edge of the rectangle? Therefore, other edge of the rectangle equal to the rectangle equal to 7 1 by 4 centimeter. 7 1 by 4 centimeter. So this is, in this video I discussed with you objective questions mains. Okay. So if you not watch the previous videos, please watch that videos and subscribe the channel, share the videos to your friends. Thank you.